Good day everyone, I'm Nicolasura of BSEd Social Studies 1B. So today I'm discussing what is biogeochemical cycles. Biogeochemical cycle is any of the natural pathways through which followed to ensure of living matter are transported. The term biogeochemical refers to the biological, geological, and chemical aspects of each cycle being incorporated. Elements within biogeochemical cycles flow in various forms from the non-living or abiotic components of the biosphere to the living or biotic components. In order for the living components of a major ecosystem like lake or a forest to survive, all the chemical elements that make up living cells must be recycled continuously. Water is one of the important living organisms in biogeochemical cycles. Living organisms require water, which contains hydrogen and oxygen. The water from the various bodies of water evaporates, cools, condenses, and falls as rain. This biogeochemical cycle is in charge of keeping weather conditions stable. Water interacts with its surroundings in various forms, changing the temperature and pressure of the atmosphere. Although water makes up more than half of our bodies, humans cannot live entirely on water. Other important elements that keep our bodies running and are part of biogeochemical cycles include carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. These processes do not occur in isolation, and the water cycle is a key driver of other biogeochemical processes. For example, water movement is critical for nitrogen and phosphate leaching into oceans. The ocean also serves as a major carbon storage area. Though each element or compound follows its own path through the biosphere, all of this essential chemical nutrient cycle between the biotic and abiotic, as well as from one living organism to another. The biogeochemical cycles on Earth connect the energy and molecules on the planet into continuous loops that support life. Commensalism is a mutualistic relationship between two species in which one organism benefits while the other is neither harmed nor helped in any way. Mutualism is a type of species interaction in which both participating species benefit. These two are also termed as symbiotic relationship or symbiosis. Symbiotic relationship or symbiosis is describing any relationship or interaction between two dissimilar organisms. The specific kind of symbiosis depends on whether either or both organisms benefit from the relationship. For example, this is a type of suckerfish that will attach itself to sharks and other big fish to catch an underwater ride. This in and of itself is an example of commensalism, since only the remora really benefits, but this relationship can change to mutualism when the remora feed on the parasites on the backs of these big fish.